you as soon as possible.
We have to hit something. I thought wave goodbye to those amazing skippers. Yeah, you're never gonna see them again. Just a few safety rules for you guys. If we sink, start swimming. I'm just kidding. Please stay seated. Keep your arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the boat. If you brought your children with you today, please keep an eye on them. I don't get paid enough. If any of your lovely items do go overboard, just put your hand up, and I'll keep driving because you're never gonna see it again. And right over here on your right hand side, you're gonna see the first wildlife here in the jungle. They're called humans. Yeah, quick look back about these humans. They do like to walk on their back legs, travel big packs, and wait in long lines for rides that last 5 or 10 minutes, or like to break down. Indiana Jones. Who said that? You're speaking the truth. Right here on your left hand side, you're gonna see a tiger. Does anybody know why they have stripes? It's so they won't get spotted. Wow, I've never seen all of my high school friends together before, and now I have. And now folks, we're going into the jungle here. On our first day here, we're going into the elephant bathing pool, where all the elephants do love to come together. Take as much pictures and videos as you guys like. They'll have their trunks on. And look at that pretty view over there, a full moon under 2 baby elephants. And right over here on your right hand side is the main reason why you shouldn't stay in the shower for too long. Do you guys see why? You're gonna turn into an elephant. Yeah, almost happened to me once, very scary folks. Just kidding. I don't shower, so I don't know if that's true. But Squirt here does have the habit of wetting you folks. Squirt, get down. They don't want to get wet. Stay. Oh no, it's coming up. It's not. Duck, 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 duck. Do you guys see that duck just flew by? You guys didn't see it? I was yelling duck. And I'm going to go up here. I want to show you guys a campsite right over here on your right hand side. Oh no, oh no. Oh, that's not good. Look what they did to the car. They left it on, now I can't turn it over. Let's get out of here folks. I see someone wearing yellow. They might think he's a banana. We gotta split. Yeah, speaking of bananas, I never understood why girls love bananas so much. Oh look, go see right over there. Like, what's so appealing about them? I just never got it. Do you have any celebrations on board? Any birthdays today? No? Any anniversaries? You guys just all here for me? Thank you guys so much. I get no attention at home. Yeah, I'm middle child. Yeah, but now, oh, you're a middle child too? Yeah, me too. Yeah. No attention at all, huh? Yeah, but we're on the Nile River. This river goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. Do you guys believe me? Guess you don't? Well, if you don't believe me, you're in denial. So that's just Bug over there. He's just saying hi to us. And now folks, we're going into the African Zelf here. And I actually brought my pet here today. He's right over there. He's that duck right there. I'm just kidding, that's not my pet. My pet's actually right here on the right hand side. He's what you guys call a rock by Annington Dwayne Johnson. Isn't he so adorable? And here in African Zelf, we have a lot of animals here. We have 3 buffaloes, 3 giraffes, 4 zebras. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Where's the 4th guy? Oh no. They got to him. I'm just kidding, he's just taking a nap. Maybe rest in pieces. Sorry, peace. Yeah, don't you, when you say one thing, we mean your mother? I mean another. And, oh no. Folks, right over there, I don't know about you guys, but I only see 5 hyenas and a rhino getting his point across. Everything else just looks like paperwork to me that I'm not doing. And now, folks, we've been together for a week now. I know what you're thinking. When is she gonna stop making her lame jokes? You still got another week to go. I'm so sorry. But I'll point out some plans to make it better. And there you go. And now, oh no, that's not good. Folks, looks like we'll be under attack here, but don't worry. I'll scare them away. all these hippos are scared of one thing: commitment, just like all my ex-boyfriends. You know, us skippers, we handle a lot of things here at the jungle. All these animals, all the elephants, these hippos trying to attack us every day. And you know, a lot of people still like to tell me that my job is so easy, a bunch of monkeys can do it. Can you guys believe that? Monkeys doing my job? So isn't that ridiculous? Because those are a bunch of apes. If they can't do it, how could a monkey do my job? And we're coming up right here. And it looks like there's another ape over here on the left-hand side. Can you tell that nothing bugs her? Hope everybody caught that. Look at all those butterflies. They're never what they used to be. Caterpillars. And now, folks, we've been together for 2 weeks. We saw a lot of animals. We saw the hippo attack. But now, for the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! O2H! O2H! Why is no one chanting? You guys are too late. Now I got good news and bad news for you guys. Which one do you want to hear first? Bad news? Okay. You guys are going overboard. Good news is I go back by myself. Yeah. I don't know what it is, but get out. I'm sorry. Please, get out. I'm just kidding. That's too much paperwork for me. And now folks, we're headed up here. And look on your left-hand side, you see a big snake. Anybody know what type of snake that is? Your best friend. I'm just kidding. That's a plastic snake. And here is our last stop here. And you'll be taking your photo here, folks. At the count of 3, you're gonna yell Jungle Cruise, and they'll take your photo right here. 1, 2, 3. You guys actually believe that? That camera doesn't work. But you know, he gets paid for the exposure. Ellie, stop sneezing on people. Ellie. Isn't she so nice though, to use all her snot to keep you guys cool? You guys might want to take a shower. And now folks, stay seated, keep your arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the boat. We don't want to scratch any of those dogs up ahead. I'm sorry. A pair of dogs. Anybody here from out of state, raise your hand. Me too, it's okay. Out of the city? You guys weren't so sure about that, so I don't know if I want to trust you guys. Out of the country? Out of your mind? Me too. I don't believe you guys. You guys are not so sure where you guys are at. Where are you guys from? Paris? Oh, I was like, France? Is that a where? I don't know. Anybody know where that's at? I've never been at Six Flags, so how am I supposed to know where they're at? Do you not see where I'm at? I'm in a jungle. You think I have a life out of this jungle? I gotta fight every day to survive with those hippos. Do you not see what happened to my campsite? All those gorillas, what was I supposed to do? Were you not paying attention to this whole cruise? No? Who let him in this boat? You know what, folks? I really hope you do enjoy your cruise. Because it seems like some of you guys were not paying attention. I don't want to say any names because I don't know his name. But point fingers right over there.